Just pick up the phone already. Oh, hey, girl.
Hey, girl. What you doing?
Nothing.
Oh, I'm just over here.
Because see what you were doing?
I'm just over here snacking,
Over
being
there,
back.
being a big bag. Really?
Yep.
What is all that music?
Oh, nothing. I'm at my house.
Girl. You're
I'm
at
at
the club.
Well, of course, I cannot refuse. Like, I can explain.
Hey, stop. You know what, girl? You saw that the yawning disease was going on. You know one of them guys could have it, right?
They don't.
Like, girl, literally, one of those guys could have it. Yes, they do. Because on the news just showed that one of the guys have, like,
Yeah, right.
at the club as, like, the yawning disease. So, you could just stick with that and bye.